Okay, I apologize for the mess in here. I've been working on my my gimbal. This is the black version, and this is metal. I had two versions. I had the white version, which is plastic, and I have the black version. The black version is 133 grams according to my scale. I know that the white version was somewhere around 122, 126 grams. But I lost that. I lost that on the Bugs 3. I'm back down to having the black version. So what I'm doing on this, I'm actually making it lighter, putting on some carbon fiber parts on here just to make it a little bit lighter. I've gotten it down to 119 grams. I'm thinking about making it even lighter than that. But I have something really exciting today to show you. And sorry about this mess. The reason why I have a cloth down here, in case a little screw falls out, it won't bounce onto the full floor. It just, that's why I have this old towel up here. But this is my Force One, my Force One F100. I don't know. I keep on saying Force 100. Sounds better. But anyway, this is the Bugs 3 in the MJX brand. And one thing I want to find here is an attachment that would go in here to accept any type of Walkera gimbal or a Walkera camera mount. And I got some mail today from md95tsi. I'm going to try to not to show his address on here, or you guys would be sending him a lot of mail, I guess. But in this box, check this out. Of course, he sent me some business cards, and he sent me three 3D printed plastic parts here, ABS plastic parts. Two of these from my Bugs 3, and you see, I'm going to do this without any hands here. Slides in there just like a glove, so it'll accept. And let's make sure this is in here correct. Oh yeah, it is. That's perfect. Slides right in there. Slides right in there. It's tight in there. It's not going to come out. This way I can go ahead and attach a Walkera gimbal. That is sweet. And it's tight and it works and it's great. Thank you, md95tsi. You are awesome, brother. This is great. And in here, I'm thinking what this is, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm thinking just the way it looks is for a run cam. Let me turn this around. We take the hood off this. This one nice thing about these Bugs 3s and F100s, you can actually get into the internal guts. So I'm thinking that if I take out this light, push this in here, oh, there's the screw holes too. Correct me if I'm wrong, MD, but I'm thinking this is for a run cam, and that's exactly what I've been wanting, is an actual run cam. Now I have the, was it the 5830, the C5830, that's for the Bugs 8, but yeah, the FPV signal on there is not the greatest. It gets washed out. You can't really use it for FPV. I've seen people that have done it, but just for even for the screen that I have the D43 screen, and I used it for a little bit, for maybe just a few minutes in my flight, and turned it into the sun, and boof, it was I had nothing. So I flew line of sight the rest of the day. I was hoping to go ahead and do some FPV on this, and that'd be really cool. Flying this around between my trees like Chris Riley does, maybe crash into my tree, and maybe make thousands of parts out of this, because I do like flying around trees just because it's fun. But man, this is cool. I think this is for FPV, and he also gave me two attachments. Man, brother, I love you, and if you guys are not tuned into md95tsi, I mean, this guy is genuine. He'll help anybody out that needs help or 3D printed parts. And I have his business card. So Now, reach out to md95tsi if you guys need any parts for your, I'm sure any drone, that if you need some parts, he would be willing to help you out. And this is great. Thank you very much. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enjoy these 3 parts I got here. This is great. I'm just, I don't know, I don't have a lot to say. So thank you, MD. I really appreciate you, brother. And I'll tell you what, next video I'm going to do is actually on my Parrot Bebop. I'm going to get that up and flying. As you know, I went ahead and replaced the chassis with a standard Parrot Bebop frame. And I'm going to go ahead and do an initial flight test to make sure I got everything going, got all the engines all plugged in properly. I'm going to do a flight test of that, do a video of that, and then we're going to go ahead and go out to the same place where I lost my my Bugs 3. It's no longer hunting season now, and I'm going to go ahead and do a long FPV flight on that, do kind of a range test on it to see. We won't go very far. I'm not going to go crazy on you, but I'm going to go ahead and take it out further than where I've been losing my FPV signals currently. And I'll do a video on that, as well as do a video. So I'll have to take 2 batteries out there. I'll do another video of my Parrot Bebop 2 looking for my MJX Bugs 3. That would be kind of cool if I found it dangling in a tree. But anyway, we'll talk to you later.